Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can insert SIM card in your Redmi A4 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. Here it is the SIM tool. You can see this. First, you have to just take out the tray. Here it is SIM tray. You just have to pull out the tray from here and you will see a SIM tray. Here it is the SIM 1 port, SIM 2 and a SD card. You have to insert this in, and just like that you have to put this in SIM 1 slot and then insert back into the smartphone. Just you have to insert this like this, and now friends, you can see here it is Indian Geo written and mobile data is turned on. You can see this is how you can insert your SIM card in your Redmi smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.